somewhere. Row, row. Huh? Thanks, Pluto. Row. Gorge, this is a big list.
Well, this is a big adventure. You can never be too prepared, you know. Now, let's see. The first on the list is the sunscreen.
Sunscreen, check.
Well, how about all of you? Does everyone have sunscreen? You know what they say.
Better safe than sunburned.
Next on the list is a camera.
A camera, huh?
We want to get some photos of our adventure.
Ta-da! Say cheese.
Cheese!
Yup.
Now let's see. What about a guide map? We gotta know where we're going.
And here it is. We sure don't want to miss anything.
Oh, it looks like we're ready to start our wild adventure.
Oh, but Minnie, it feels like we're forgetting something. Something sorta important. Let's see. Sunscreen, camera, guide map.
Oh, our guide. We can't begin our adventure without our official adventure guide. Goofy, why don't you try to reach him on the radio?
Good idea. Now, if I could only find that radio. Thanks, Pluto. Come in, official adventure guide. Do you read me? Over. Hello? Hello? Is that you, official adventure guide? All I hear is static. And elephants, I think.
Official Adventure Guide Mickey here. Goofy, is that you?
It sure is, Mickey. Me and a whole bunch of our pals.
Goofy, where is he?
Come again on the 1020 there, buddy.
Why, I'm in front of the Tree of Life, scouting out trails for our wild adventure.
You are? Well, we're in front of the Tree of Life, too. In a great big safari truck.
Well, let me try and find you.
Oh, here.
Oh, gosh, there you are.
Look, everyone. It's Mickey.
Gee. Hiya, folks. Say, is everybody ready for a wild adventure?
Oh, we certainly are.
Great! Now, before we get going, there's just one more thing to check off the list. Right, Goofy?
There it is. Oh, right. It says here, let the adventure begin.
What does that mean, Mickey?
It means it's time to get started. So, on the count of 3, everybody say, let the adventure begin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let the adventure begin. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom, everybody. Have a wild adventure.